Hello everyone, I am Swati and I welcome you to the English classes of Amroz Institute. Today we are going to learn new vocabulary words that will replace very. You know, very is a very common word that we are using in our daily life sentences. For example, if you are happy, you use I'm very happy, I'm very sad, it is a very nice show. We use very in our all sentences. Today we are going to learn new vocabulary words that will replace very. So without wasting any time, let's start the class. Okay everyone, so these are the words that we are going to learn. First word that we have is very exciting. Very exciting. Instead the use of very exciting, we can use the word exhilarating. Exhilarating. The pronunciation of this word is exhilarating. Can you see? Exhilarating. Very excited. The sentence from this word you can make like, my first skydiving was an exhilarating experience. My first skydiving was an exhilarating experience. The second word that we have is very cheap. Very cheap. Very cheap, that is not very costly. Cheap means that is not very costly. The word you can use instead of cheap, you can use stingy. Stingy. This is the pronunciation of this word and this is the spelling of this word. So don't be confused. This is the pronunciation of this word and this is spelling of this word. Same like this, this is the pronunciation and this is the spelling of this word. Stingy. John always buy stingy shirts. John always buy stingy shirts. The next word is very thin. Very thin. Gaunt. Gaunt. You can use the word gaunt. This is the pronunciation of this word and this is the spelling of this word. G-A-U-N-T. This is the spelling of this word and G-A-W-N-T. This is the pronunciation of this word. Gaunt means very thin. For example, he looked very gaunt and exhausted when I visited him in the hospital. He looked very gaunt means very thin and exhausted when I visited him in the hospital. Very thin, gaunt. The next word that we have is very upset. Very upset. The word you can use instead of very upset, distorted. Distorted. This is the spelling of this word and this is the pronunciation of this word. Distorted. Distorted. The example for this word is Sam was very distorted after seeing his results. Sam was very distorted after seeing his results. Distorted, very upset means Sam was very upset after seeing his results. The next word that we have is very smelly. Very smelly. The word you can use instead of smelly is pungent. Pungent. This is the spelling of this word and again this is the pronunciation of this word. Pungent. Pungent. Pungent means a strong smell of something. For example, I don't like pungent smell of fried onions. I don't like pungent smell of fried onions. So these are the words for today classes, guys. I hope you all liked and enjoyed the class. If you like, please do share, subscribe and like the Amroz Institute channel. Bye-bye.